Imagine you're deep in a jungle, the air thick and humid. Suddenly, you see it. Something huge, with long, hairy legs, scuttling across the forest floor. It's the size of a dinner plate. This isn't a scene from a horror movie. This is the Goliath birdiator, the world's largest spider by mass. Welcome, everyone, to a journey into the world of giant spiders, where we separate fact from fiction and meet some of the most fascinating eight-legged creatures on our planet. So, let's start with the king himself, the Goliath birdiator. When threatened, it doesn't just bite. It rubs its abdomen with its hind legs, releasing a cloud of tiny, barbed hairs that can cause severe irritation to the skin and eyes of a potential predator. It's like a tiny, eight-legged porcupine native to Laos. This spider holds the record for the largest leg span, reaching up to 12 inches as well. Unlike the heavy-bodied Goliath, the huntsman is more delicate and incredibly fast. They don't build webs to catch prey. Instead, they actively hunt, using their incredible speed and agility to chase down insects, geckos, and other small animals. They are the sprinters of the spider world. Now let's travel to a different part of the world, to Sri Lanka, and meet a more recently discovered giant, the Poecilotheria rajae. Discovered in 2009, this tarantula has a leg span of about 8 inches and is distinguished by beautiful, intricate markings on its legs and abdomen, featuring shades of gray, white, and a striking pinkish-gray band. Sadly, these beautiful giants are facing threats due to deforestation. They prefer to live in old-growth trees, and as their habitat disappears, they are forced to find new homes, sometimes in old buildings. Their discovery highlights the fact that there are still so many unknown species out there, waiting to be found in the world's dwindling wild places. The internet is filled with terrifying force-pros perspective photos that make them look like dog-sized monsters chasing soldiers in the desert. The reality is quite different. First, they aren't even spiders. They belong to an order called Ciliphagi. They have 10 legs, not 8, and they don't have venom glands. Their powerful jaws, or chelicerae, are their main weapon, which they use to shred their prey. While they can be large, up to 6 inches in leg span, they are nowhere near the size portrayed in those viral images. And are they chasing people? Not really. They are fast, and they often run towards the shadow a person casts to escape the brutal desert sun. What about the spiders in our own backyards? While not as massive as the Goliath or huntsman, some can get impressively large. The wolf spider is a great example. These robust hunters are found worldwide. They have excellent eyesight, and, like the huntsman, they chase down their prey. Female wolf spiders are also amazing mothers. They carry their egg sacs attached to their spinnerets, and after the spiderlings hatch, they climb onto their mother's back, where she carries and protects them until they are ready to venture out on their own. Seeing a mother wolf spider with hundreds of tiny babies on her back is a truly remarkable sight. Another familiar giant is the orb weaver. Species like the golden silk orb weaver, also known as the banana spider, can be quite intimidating. The females are significantly larger than the males and can have a leg span of up to 4 or 5 inches. What's most impressive about them is their web. The silk is incredibly strong, stronger than steel of the same diameter, and has a beautiful golden hue. These webs can be massive, sometimes stretching several feet across. They are so strong that they have been known to occasionally catch small birds or bats, although their primary diet is insects. So, why do these spiders get so big? It's a combination of factors. In tropical environments, a stable climate and an abundant food supply allow them to grow to enormous sizes. There's less pressure to mature quickly, so they can take their time growing.